My bee took off. He'll be back. He's been buzzing around here all day. There he is. Take a look. I was just sitting in my chair taking a break here. And what is keeping this big old fat bumblebee up in the air? His wings. What is his wings doing? Of course it's giving him lift. What I'm looking at is frequency. There's a certain frequency that this bee is flopping his wings, and it's the same frequency that would counteract the gravity as the gravity pushes his bumblebee down to the ground. Now, of course, if that bee just stops flopping his wings, it'll fall to the ground. But no, he can just sit there and hover. He's carrying his body just like our torso, flopping his wings, and it's about frequency. So it got me thinking. If you take Ed's wheel and you start pulsating how Ed Leedskalnin, if you look on his tripod picture, if you were to pulsate both sides of that rock and you banged it, just like this bee is banging it. It's banging it. He's coming over to me. It's probably Tesla or Ed himself. If you were to keep banging it, it would provide lift because it would allow gravity to do its push, its compression, and then its decompression. Compression, decompression. And that's what we were talking about in our last video. So you can see this bee has the frequency of what the gravity field is pulling down on him. And he can hover and maintain and just take off. So if we take a rock or any object and we pulse it enough to where it itself being pulsed enough to fight off the force. I just ordered 5 pounds of, what did I get? Let's see. I got 5 pounds of volcano ash. I got 5 pounds of beach sand. That's 98.6% quartz from Ed Leedskalnin's area. And I got 5 pounds of calcium carbonate limestone. Now I'm going to get me 5 pounds of rose quartz crystal powder. And I'm going to look for some powdered glass. And these are the makings of my experimental dielectric for the cement for Ed's wheel. So, yeah, the bee just gave me a great idea. So if you look on Ed's picture, he's got the tripod, he's got one wire coming down from the top box, one on the other side, he's got a rod through the whole, it may not be all the way through the whole granite, it may just be in a foot on each end with rods sticking out, because it may be the induction of pulsing it down to the rock from both sides, putting a pulse inside the rock to where the rock now is pulsated enough to where it's fighting off the force of gravity pushing down on it. I think I'm into something big here, and I noticed that another unique thing is we have these banana spiders here. And a banana spider, I just go up to it and be about 4 feet away from it, and it will shake as it's on the web, and it'll shake so much to my eye it disappears. So the frickin' thing becomes invisible just by oscillating itself like this back and forth. So it oscillated so fast that my eyes could not catch it, could not see it anymore. Food for thought, you guys. Leave your comments. Peace out.